Hi guys, thanks for tuning in. Appreciate you giving the video a look here. Continuing on with that merged intake manifold that I've done a video for. I'm just going to use it as the next example here. So moving forward, today we're going to start doing some cleanup. I hid the initial mesh. Here's my merge file where it's the two combined top and bottom pieces. First thing that I like to do is, largely I can see my triangle count here is huge. I know my SolidWorks does not do well with that, and I'm working with this model in SolidWorks, so I'll be getting STL file smaller so I can get counts down. First thing I'll do is come and decimate. Decimate, you can choose your reduction here. It gives you your estimated triangles you'll have left. I'm going to go ahead and push to about 50 on this, and that leaves me, as you can see, just a little under 600,000 triangles. My graphic card shouldn't have an issue with that, and again, the typical dual function here, the two-step approval. You hit apply, check it, make sure it doesn't look like it rounded every feature off, doesn't look like it's too smooth. You still actually have detail on the scan. You get approval, there we go, it's done cramming. You can hardly even tell a difference, honestly. I might go ahead and push it a little bit further. Start getting some washout there. But I'll go with this, for example, for now. I'll go ahead and say it's okay. Next, I'd like to come do clean mesh. It's kind of all-in-one step, really. Knocks down triangles, some other things. So isolated patches, spikes, small holes, where you can come in and patch things specifically. I'm not too worried about. This kind of does a quick overall. You can see the hole patches it's trying to fix. Small stuff all around, smooth things, will eliminate some, little tag runoff spots, etc. So kind of a all-in-one cleanup swipe, generic, works well. What you can't see here, again, is because it's a pop-up window. I'm using Windows 10 Recorder. Let's go ahead and give me progress as it's, gathering mesh, etc. So there we go, it's done. I'll click OK. That worked well. I will come, and there's still some tags, some big things I don't like. I'm going to come manually clean up. Like this little jaunt point there that doesn't have any real purpose. I'm going to go ahead and freeform to cut this. And to do that, you go ahead and click Control. Then you're going to left click the mouse, and it will let you drag kind of this window. And you can click by points, and it'll let you drag and drop wherever you want. Looks kind of funny. So I'm actually going to clear that, and I will reselect with my freeform again. There's a drop-down menu here that you can't see, but it gives you other options for rectangular selection or like a brush, or connect, which is a really fast way for trimming large chunk swaths like background images that came up. So I'm going to go ahead and again Control, I click, you can see it's dragging that line down, kind of make a section. I say OK. A cool feature you can do here for if you have something that's grossly selected is you can toggle between what's selected and what wasn't to make your delete easier. But in this case, grab that, click delete, tail disappears. Pretty simple and straightforward. To give you an example, I'm going to do a connect just to check and make sure there's no triangles floating out in space from a scan that I didn't notice. So I'm going to come here, select connect. You see it's kind of this hoop looking horseshoe thing. Again, Control, gives me the target, selected it. And so this will be kind of what I was telling you before. You can see this internal portion here. I want to make sure that I have that as well. And so I've selected what I want. I'm going to flip it. So if there are any small triangles that were outside of my scan area that I don't want taking up extra space, I just toggled and would have selected those, and I delete now. Continue on, and that's it. It's pretty well cleaned up. Well enough for what I need. I don't need to spend a lot of time filling holes here, which there are some other things you can do in here to change, remove spikes, etc. You can change the level of how much you want. There's a lot you can do in this. This is a quick down and dirty just to get me working on this model. Thanks for watching the video, guys. I'd appreciate it if you gave it a like. Have a good one.